Okay.
Yeah, listen guys, I want to tell you something. I just gave my entrance for Symbiosis Institute of Technology
Oh wow.
and I think I'll make it to the college.
Good. Oh wow, that is so cool. Congratulations,
Thank you
Akshay.
guys, yeah.
You're welcome. Are you sure this is the college you want to attend?
I'm not really sure, but yeah, I have to read more about it and then I'll come to a conclusion.
Okay.
Yeah, Akshay, you can search on net also.
Yeah,
that's
I
true.
think that will be the first thing I'll do when I get home.
Good.
Oh, that's awesome.
So fitness freaks. First let me know, tell me how did your journey with fitness started?
Actually, engineering is quite hectic, so we need a little refreshment at times. So we started doing gymming. That's how it all got started.
So Symbiosis supports fitness?
Yeah, it does. It has opened a gym. It's a very good gym. And our coaches are the best.
We are here with Yash Parekh Sir, faculty for the first year and for the seniors teaching two subjects, engineering graphics and CAD-CAM. Welcome sir. Sir, first of all we would like to know how your experience has been at Symbiosis.
So at Symbiosis, it's been almost 2 years. I joined in 2012, and it's sort of a different than other universities where they have a specific requirement of teaching to specific course which is designed theoretically. Here I can bring in some element of practicality in the subject also.
So we are here with Dr. Deepika Jaspal, who is an assistant professor for the branch of applied science, and she teaches chemistry to the freshers. Ma'am, what would you like to say about your experience at Symbiosis?
Yeah, Symbiosis is a very good place for all of you to come, and there's a lot to learn over here. Good students come over here from good families, good backgrounds. Faculty members are good, the infrastructure is excellent, and it's a very, very good institute. So welcome all of you, whosoever is planning to join Symbiosis.
So right now we're here with Sanmay Dash, who's currently in his 4th year and has been placed in Forbes Marshall, and he is also the topper in all 3 branches. So right now, Sanmay, we would like you to elaborate a little bit on your placement at Forbes Marshall as well as the placement scene at SIT.
See, being in final year, it has been a very overwhelming experience for me for the last 4 years. Companies like Nvidia, Facebook, Amazon, and many more, and Forbes Marshall, of course, many more 500 plus Fortune companies have come to our campus, and I consider myself very lucky to be placed at Forbes Marshall.
So we are here with Mr. Shraval Kapoor, one of the heads for our fest Reverb. So Shraval, what's your take on Reverb? What is Reverb all about and how has your experience been handling it?
I enjoy Reverb completely. You know, Reverb is not a fest. It is the conclusion, the summation of the talent this building holds. When that happens, there are no papers involved, first of all. There's only pure hard work. And that is how it has been for me, pure hard work.
So right now we're here with Kalpesh Kameshwar from third year. And you started up recently with Kalpesh Kameshwar Photography KKP. So can you tell us a little bit about that since you started up in college as well?
Yeah, in late 2013 I set up my own company. Then I went on to sponsor Reverb, the photography team of Reverb and the ENTC Tech Fest also.
Thank you so much, Kalpesh.
Thank you.
Thank
So we are here with the designers at Symbiosis Institute of Technology. So all four of you have worked on the Reverb wall, which turned out to be really great. Tell me about your experience in that.
The whole experience of the wall painting, Reverb wall painting was a great fun experience.
One thing awesome about Symbi, it recognizes you. If you have any talent, come here, like it will get it recognized.
Tell us about how you're joining dance talent. What's your take about dancing?
Well, dancing is all about passion, about freedom. It's about doing what you like. College has given us a many chances. It has given us a base and it has given us a platform where we can show our own talents, our own moves, place to practice. Yeah, place to practice. Day and night they've given us so many permissions. Hats off to it.
Thank you guys.
Thank you so much. So today we're here with Abhijit Roy and he is currently the student brand manager of Red Bull. He's from our campus and he's on third year. Abhijit, could you tell us a little bit about your experiences on campus as well as your affiliations to Red Bull and how that came about?
Alright, most of the students in this college know that I work at Red Bull. I am the student brand manager. So the wall behind us was one of the small projects in which a lot of students from our batch came together and they had things to offer. Somebody was painting, somebody was playing the guitar, somebody was singing, somebody was just there and having a good time. This college gives us that option to showcase, right? So that's something which is pretty cool and all of us are just engineering students. That's what the rest of the world portrays us as. We're just engineers. We have nothing else to, show. But that's not true. Like, you know that, I know that, the rest of the students out here know that. The fact that we can come here and we can work together as a team which has nothing to do with engineering, but more of a co-curricular activity, that's something which is enjoyable and we have fun at it.
Bonsoir, le temps est beau ici et I'm from Mauritius.
Yay! I'm from Kerala.
Yo, I'm from Detroit.
We are from Punjab.
We are from Rajasthan.
We are from Gujarat.
I'm from Dubai.
We are from Bengal and welcome to Symbi.
Proud to be an SIT.
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 Proud to be an SIT. Symbiosis, to be precise, has been a roller coaster ride. There have been ups, there have been downs. And you know what they say about changes from being a boy to a man? Well, that is what this 1 year Symbiosis Institute Technology has been to me. And that is what I've tried to showcase in this video. And believe me, this would have been possible without my teammates, everyone out there who have helped me in this video, and teachers like Yash Parekh sir, Deepika ma'am, Ambika Pawar ma'am, and Neha ma'am. Thanks to all of you for helping me out. And yeah, so what this video is all about is what we experience at Symbiosis, and that is what I hope is what you take of this video. And secondly, there is one message that I would like to put through my juniors, the freshers coming in. Come to Symbiosis, experience what life is all about, and let's have a good time together. Thank you.